Hello everyone, my name is Zhu. Today I'm going to present attribution theory and how to apply attribution theory in order to increase our motivation for learning. Attribution theory is concerned with why people do what they do. There are two types of attribution theory: external attribution and internal attribution. External attribution explains someone's behavior as being caused by the situation that the individual is in. Internal attribution explains the cause of behavior to some internal characteristic rather than to outside force. Moreover, attribution theory contributes a lot in learning design because behaviorism is one of the major parts of learning theory. As we know, the interest is the biggest motivation in study, and attribution theory is closely associated with the concept of motivation. By the end of this section, you should be able to explain how the two types of attribution theory affect on the student's motivation, design appropriate instructional objective using attribution theory, which increasing students' motivation and confidence. Compare and contrast attribution theory with similar theories and models. Judge the effectiveness of learning effects using attribution theory. In attribution theory, it suggests both internal characteristics and the environment are considered important factors by learned results. I will give you two examples to distinguish external attribution and internal attribution. A same event can caused by external or internal reason. For example, a person gets a bad grade on a test. External attribution would be that instructor didn't teach the material well enough. Internal attribution maybe students are tired or that they are not smart enough for the class. Also, there is another example you can look at. Okay, let's do a quiz. Watch the video and answer the following question. Have you found the answer in the video? The first question, the three dimensions are locations, controllability, and stability. The second question, the perceived cost is more important than an actual cost. For example, a student has a lot of academic ability, but if he does not perceive his ability to be high, then that perception can have a negative effect on motivation. Attribution theory can be applied in classroom through educator provide credible feedback to learner. If feedback is given different stage of learning by the right time, then students will know how to improve their performance. Also, positive feedback could increase students' confidence. However, feedback from the educator may not always be helpful, and sometimes it will cause negative consequences. All feedback must be credible. For example, if some students are told that they are doing well based on effort, but actually they are not working very hard, so they are likely not to be motivated to work as hard as before. The reason for that is an individual's perception of a learning result is different and difficult to measure, which makes it harder to give a credible feedback. What's next? Discovery learning is similar to the attribution theory. Both theories are closely associated with the concept of interest in learning theory. For further understanding of attribution theory, research more about these two theories and try to explain the difference of them. Please watch these two videos. Thank you for watching my video.